If you love adding those finishing touches that make a room feel warm and inviting, this navy decorative pillow cover is such a pretty option. I'm sharing the Bliss Blush 20 by 20 boho accent pillow cover, and I really like the rich dark blue that's in it and the tassel detail on the corners. That's so awesome. It brings in a little texture and personality without overpowering the space. This one is a cover only, so you can use it with your own insert and style it to get the fullness that you like best. One easy decorating tip is to mix it with lighter pillows like a cream and a beige or a soft ivory, so the navy really stands out and then it gives the couch or bed a really nice layered look. I also think this would be a beautiful piece in a bedroom paired with natural wood tones or woven textures for that cozy farmhouse feel. It's a simple way to make a space feel a little more collected and comfortable. I'm an Amazon influencer, and that means that I may earn a small commission if you purchase through my link. At no extra cost to you, your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews like this. Thank you so much.